Enrique de Bilingue Vlogs. Thank you guys for tuning into another video of mine. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get a notification when I upload a video. Otherwise, if you're a subscriber or just a watcher who has not subscribed yet, why haven't you subscribed? But anyways, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. Please share this content with your friends, family, social media people. Yes, so today's question is Duolingo or Don'tolingo? You like how I did that? Alright, so should you use Duolingo to learn a language? This is a question that is asked a lot. Almost as much as how long did it take me to learn Spanish? But Duolingo as a Spanish learning source, how do I feel about it? I think that Duolingo is a good idea. I think that if you put in the time and effort, that Duolingo could be very beneficial to you. I do not think that it should be your only source of learning Spanish. I think it is something that you should do on the side to kind of reinforce what you're learning and maybe test what you're learning through your grammar books, through your vocabulary books, and through real life experience. This is why I don't think you should only use Duolingo, because it does not provide real life experience. Yeah, you can kind of talk into your phone and repeat words that are said, but you don't have anyone really conversing with you. That's really important to have. Also, you're not really writing anything down. So I feel like retention, yeah, they have you go back and review, or else you're going to lose your streak or whatever it may be. You're going to lose that level. But I just feel like it's not enough. Something about using your body, to write something down and looking at what you wrote over and over again, it helps out a lot more than just seeing something on a screen, And I know even for visual learners, I think you still need to write stuff down. I think that it will be more beneficial to you in the long run. I do like Duolingo's review system that they have. I do like how they teach vocabulary, but I also feel like there's not enough explanation. And yes, babies, they learn languages without having things explained to them. But once we hit a certain age, I think sometimes we need the explanation. I think sometimes we need the explanation because it helps sink in our brain a lot faster than just jumping right into it. Now, am I against immersion? No. I was more or less an immersion Spanish learner. So I learned by doing, but I also made sure to look up why I was doing it, and that helped me out a lot. And I think Duolingo does not provide that. Unfortunately, I think that our generation, people of this generation, the technical people, or is that what it's called? Techies? Whatever. We like technology, right? And we want the answer to be, oh man, Duolingo is the answer to all my language problems. But, just because you want it to be that way, just because it's convenient, because on your phone and it seems like a game, I just don't see it as being enough. I watched a video the other day of somebody speaking Spanish based off of the Spanish that they learned from Duolingo. It was not horrible. I'm not going to say it was bad, but I can't say it wasn't good. It wasn't good enough. I think that he could have learned better if he would have used grammar books and vocabulary books and real world experience as opposed to an app on his phone. But he did get pretty far. I would say he did get pretty far. I could understand what he was saying, but they were so many mistakes. So many mistakes. And that's one of the benefits too of having somebody to speak with you and having real life experience, is that they can correct you when you're wrong. Now granted, some people might not correct you when you're wrong, but they can. Whereas if you're speaking to just a phone the whole time, yeah, it'll correct you, but then when you want to make sentences on your own that are not related to that unit, then it's not going to correct you. Like how will you know? How will you be able to brush up on those skills? So, I don't know. That's my opinion on Duolingo. Like I said, I don't think it's a bad app at all. I just think it should not be your main source of learning. So, yeah. If you guys have any comments to say about Duolingo, let me know. Let me know what you think. I'm really curious to see what everybody says. Has it been working for you? if it's been working for you, I want you to write me a comment in Spanish. How about that? Write me a comment in Spanish without looking up a translator, without anything. I just want to see, because my girlfriend's mother is actually using Duolingo too. She's using it for Spanish, but she still won't have a Spanish conversation with me. So I'm like, if it's working so well, why can't we talk? You know, why can't we talk? So actually, should I do a video interviewing her in Spanish? I want to see if she's down to do that. Let's see how that one will go. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Duolingo or Don'tolingo. You guys have my opinion on it. And yeah, check out more of the content that I have for you guys up here. Down in the bottom, I have some stuff for you guys in the descriptions. Yeah, God bless. Take it easy.